know what happened? I ended up disassembling the whole laptop because there's an issue with the Wi-Fi card. This is the Wi-Fi card. This one. I will also check this one. It's also a Wi-Fi card. Yeah, it's very hard to disassemble this laptop. Took me more than 30 minutes to disassemble. See that? Remove the keyboard or the keypad. This one is very hard to disassemble because of this. Sorry. Yeah. I'll clean this and this, and I will look if I have a better one than this one, so I will replace it because it's hard to put it back and then remove it again. Yeah, thank you. We'll see. Look at this Wi-Fi card. I don't have this. This is an old model. Oh my god. Maybe I just need to clean this terminal and this one. Yeah. It's connected in here. Like that. Yeah, I believe it will work. I'll just clean the terminal. I notice it is a little bit loose. Okay. So this is what happened. I removed this. I cleaned the terminals, and also this one. I cleaned also the terminal. Reset this. This is for the video. For the screen connector. Reset this, clean, blow some air, yeah, and then I put tape in here. So this was loose before, a little bit loose. Yeah, loose than this. No, it's not moving right now. This is the Wi-Fi card. Okay, I took the serial number and I'll find it online if it is available, but I believe it will work very good again. Now I just assembled the bottom part. I already put back this how I do it for this keyboard. To pull it out, you push out that white part, push it out and then pull. Then to put it on, put this inside this black thing, this black connector, and then push it back. These two white clip, yeah, and then it is done. Then you just turn it back like that. There's a groove over there. There, then it will click. It will click like that because there is a pin over there like that all around, and there's a pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there's a 5 pin that hold the board, that hold this keyboard, and underneath there's one screw. Okay. Yes, after reassembly, the Wi-Fi is steady now. Before it turns on and off. So the problem in internet connection was the Wi-Fi that is turning on and off. The connection is dirty and loose. So let's try Google Chrome again. Before it's not steady. This Wi-Fi signal was steady, but this is the truth. It tells the truth if it is connected or not. Yeah, it loads up a little bit faster now. Let's try this. Oh, that's nice, dog. So it's good now. The Wi-Fi is steady. Before it is not. So to sum up everything that I did, let's turn up the volume. To sum up everything that I did, clean up the hard drive, reset the hard drive, clean up the terminal, and also the RAM. Yeah, I clean up the terminal also by using an eraser. I didn't have to reformat it. And the last one that I did was to take out the Wi-Fi card. But that's the hard part because I need to disassemble everything in order to take out that Wi-Fi card. Yeah, that's the hard part. And also I removed it's like a virus, so the one that says activation needed. Yeah, I removed that activation thing, so it is fully activated right now. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. You see, and my baby is happy now watching, right, Casey?